Kasi I was then the chairman nung nagpasya sila ng back-over ng WPP. At sa akin namang palagay, based on the law, kailangan silang ma-process. Sapagkat nagpasya sila na gusto magpa-cover. Ang problema kasi at that time, the then Secretary of Justice made an opinion that the Diskaya should first make restitution. Kaya doon po yata na-stall yun eh. Considering that restitution is not even one of the requirements para ma-process. Kasi nag-a-apply pa lang sila eh. I was trying to explain them, Mr. Chair, na in the process of the application of the Diskayas, restitution is not one of the requisites. Kaya lang, pinipilit ni then Secretary Remulla, now Ombudsman, na magre-restitute sila. So, doon yata na-stall ang pinag-uusapan. Ngayon, ang pagkakaalam ko rin po, Mr. Chair, si Yusek Bernardo, parang he was already granted provisional, anong tawag mo?
Provisional admission, Mr. Chair.
So, if he was granted already provisional admission, was he required to restitute anything?
Sir, that is covered by the memorandum.